A young couple just moved into a new neighborhood. The next morning, while in the kitchen, the young woman sees her neighbor hanging the laundry outside. "That laundry is not very clean," she said. "She doesn't know how to wash correctly. Perhaps she needs better laundry soap." Her husband looked on, but remained silent. Every time her neighbor would hang her washing to dry, the young woman would make the same comments. About a month later, the woman was surprised to see a nice clean laundry on the line and said to her husband, "Look, she has finally learnt how to wash properly. I wonder who taught her." The husband said, "I got up early this morning and cleaned our windows." Moral of the story: if our windows are dirty, we will see others dirty too. What we see in others is indeed a reflection of our inner selves. What we see when watching others depends on the purity of the window through which we look. In life, we tend to be judgmental and look down upon others without exploring deeper as to why the person is behaving in such a way. It has been narrated, the person who busies himself looking into the faults of others should first start looking into the faults of his own self.